everyone, welcome back to Delhi Cooking. Today I am going to make Matar Chole, and we have to use these ingredients which is easily available at our home. So let's start with the ingredients. It's onion, 1 chopped onion, cumin and red chili. 2 red chili I chopped it, and 1 spoon of cumin. And it's tamarind chutney, and in my next video you can see how to make tamarind chutney. It's chaat masala, easily available at every home. Finely chopped garlic, and it's not necessary. If you like garlic you can add it, otherwise you can skip it. And here it's finely chopped ginger, it's 1 spoon. And here it's soaked matar, and we have to soak it overnight, and then we have to boil it. And here it's all spices like red chili, coriander, turmeric and garam masala powder, and salt to taste. So let's start with taking pressure cooker, and then we have to add the matar to make the chole. 1 spoon of garlic, finely chopped, add it. Ginger, 1 spoon, add it. Ginger is must to add. And here it's garam masala powder, half teaspoon of turmeric, and red chili to taste. According to your taste you can add it, and salt to taste. Add 2 cups of water. And then turmeric. Cooker is on a gas, and on it, and cook it. With 2 whistles we have to cook it on a high flame, and then 5 minutes on a low flame. Now after 15 to 20 minutes we have to check the matar is done or not. Let me check. Oh, it's perfectly boiled, and now we have to add it into the tadka. Now you have to take a pan and heat it, and we have to add the oil, at least 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And here we make the tadka for the matar chole. Oil is ready now. Now we have to put red chili and cumin. Then onion, we have to add it and fry it till golden. See, onion is ready. It's golden brown, and now we have to add the boiled matar. Added the boiled matar. Mix it properly. Then we have to add chaat masala. Then we have to add tamarind chutney. And if you don't have a tamarind chutney, you can use tomato sauce too. It gives you an awesome flavor. Next 2 minutes, you can see it's done. And now it's time.
Here you can see chole is ready to eat. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Thank you.